Mutations are the most common cause of cancer. This occurs from damage to genes during a person's life or passed directly from a parent to a child. There are two major types of cancer genes. The first type comprises genes that positively influence tumor formation and are known as oncogenes. Oncogenes are genes that are mutated form of genes involved in normal cell growth. Oncogenes cause the growth of cancer cells. A proto-oncogene is a normal gene that could become an oncogene due to mutations or increased expression. Proto-oncogenes are involved in normal growth and repair. The second type of cancer gene negatively impact tumor growth and have been named tumor-suppressor genes. There is subset of tumor-suppressor genes, the caretaker genes, that don't affect cell growth directly but rather control the ability of the cell to maintain the integrity of its genome. Both oncogenes and tumor suppressor genes exert their effect on tumor growth through their ability to control cell division or cell death, apoptosis.